Morning, Nicholas. Clay Farnsworth here, Graves Golf Academy. This is the coaching session of the videos you sent in yesterday. So in this video here, your little comment was it was a shorter backswing. Okay. I like to start from the ground up, so the ball position looks pretty good. However, your stance width is a little bit narrow. Okay. And you're lacking side bend. You can clearly see Moe here on the right hand side has about 15 to 16 degrees of side bend at address. All right. And so the longer you stood there, the less side bend you ended up with. Okay. So you end up with about that much side bend. Now, ideally, we want to rotate around the side bend. So put a line on top of your head, and just like I did Moe. And I'm going to take Moe to position 2, which is the top of the backswing. And you'll note that the side bend stays intact. And if anything, his head goes upward slightly. Okay. So I'm going to start you back. All right. And you'll see how your head and chest go downward. All right. So now you've lost spacing to the top of the backswing. I think the culprit is the fact that you can't rotate your hips as good as you should. And now you'll see quite a bit of lateral motion. Clearly see a difference in what's going on with the swing here through impact, which is your next piece of this, your comment that you made from your down the line view. All right. So side bend and rotation going to be a big key. Now, when you shoot video, do us a favor. Make sure that the camera is down the hand line. This camera is more down the target line. Now, what I will tell you is it looks like you have a hybrid, okay? And our forward bend will be between, I'm just going to draw lines on here, 50 degrees with the driver and 40 degrees with the wedges. All right. You have a hybrid here, so I think you're too far from the ball. All right. And you have too much forward bend. Right. With the hybrid, you should probably have somewhere around the neighborhood of 48 degrees of forward bend. All you really saw those lines because they don't mean anything anymore. I'll put a plain line on you. Once again, top of the head. Do the same thing with Moe. All right. I'm going to take him to position 2, which is top of the backswing. All right. And I'm going to take you there as well. What you'll see is that head and chest going down, and now you have less forward bend than you had at address. And now you have to raise up to make impact. All right. So that's what we're going to focus on is better posture at address. Okay. And then good rotation of the torso and hips to get to position 2 where we maintain our posture. All right. Thanks for sending the videos in. We'll see you next time.